Hey guys, we received this HYCHIKA cordless screwdriver for test and try. This comes in a really nice carry box, and this is a screwdriver. I will say is a 4 volt 2.0 ampere electric screwdriver with a rechargeable battery, and this also comes with this bit set with the front LED light and the rear flashlight, and it's a ratchet wrench design as well. So let's open this box and see like the manual and all these bits and the screwdriver. So very nice set, have a lot of things. There's a back light here, like the flashlight, and also the front light when you use it. So the lock and stuff. So let me just put in some of these bits just to show you. So you can easily put in these things. So I'll just open, just put it, and you can just close it. And once closed, you can just use it. You can see like you can use in a uh, right hand clockwise or anti-clockwise based on the button here. And then also can be used for any screwdriver stuff with all this different type of bits. So it's very handy to use, and you can charge it with this supplied cable through the USB and also like other stuff. So this is a front like a simple light here as well that you can use to see how this goes. And then also this bit set. So basically a very nice set, and then is good to just use. So I just show some of the try, but comes with a really nice set with the different things and different attachments. So it's very handy. And then also this is an extender, and you can use the different bits with it. So it's a charge indicator, flashlight switch with a charging port, forward and reverse button, front LED light, rotation button, and the self-lock chuck. So it's a really great features that it have and can be used widely on a lot of other things and all the different type of sockets and bits. So like the extension bar, hex sockets, 50 mm CRV screwdriver set, 25 mm CRV screwdriver bits and other sizes bits. So very nice screwdriver set.